And I think by innovation today, starting yesterday, na si Senator Gatchalian pa rin yung nagbubukas ng trial.
May naging pagkwestiyon sa kasalukuyang setup ng impeachment trial ni Vice President Sara Duterte sa Senado. Isang petisyon ang inihain ni Atty. Israelito Torion sa Korte Suprema upang maglabas ng kautusan para ipatigil ang impeachment trial sa pangalawang Pangulo. Ngunit para kay University of the Philippines College of Law Associate Dean Atty. Paulo Tamase, hindi labag sa konstitusyon ang kasalukuyang setup ng Senado sa ngayon.
I don't think necessarily problematic yung setup ngayon with a separate presiding officer. Yung constitutional text is silent on the presiding officer for impeachment outside of the trial of a president, and constitutional silence is not constitutional ambiguity. In fact, yung Constitution provides for a specific rule that the Senate shall promulgate its own rules of procedure to implement impeachment.
Dagdag pa ni Atty. Tamase na ang usapin hinggil sa internal rules ng Senado ay itinuturing na political question at hindi nararapat panghimasukan ng Korte Suprema.
Yung premise nito is if the Senate changes its rules, yung courts natin generally respect it to the point na even issues on whether the Senate complied with its own rules, political question siya. So the case is Arroyo versus De Venecia. Yung 1997, I think, case na yun shows that if may disagreement yung in the way that the Senate or the House at that point, I think, implemented its own rules, hindi nakikipasok yung Supreme Court.
Bagamat maaga pa para pangunahan ang desisyong ilalabas ng kataas-taasang hukuman, may sinabi rin na posibilidad ang propesor patungkol sa petisyon na inihain ni Atty. Torion.
But if we look at practice in the past, the Supreme Court has never stopped an impeachment trial despite an application for it. So the closest it got to stopping a trial was in the CJ Corona impeachment, but hindi niya pinigil yung paglilitis. Ang ginawa niya ay pinigilan niya yung or tiniro niya yung pag-disclose ng bank records. And even then, yung Senate insisted on its independence from the Supreme Court and yung exclusive or sole power niya to try the case such that hindi niya sinunod kaagad yung TRO. No? Bumoto muna sila before nila sundin yung TRO.
Samantala, para kay Atty. Tamase, naging maganda naman anya ang daloy ng impeachment trial ni VP Sara.
Patas yung ginagawa ng defense. No? Patas yung attempt niya to prevent the evidence from entering into the record because first, yun yung ethical duty niya towards their client. And second, because the court has made the decision implicitly to have a technical process. So kung hindi technical tong process na ito, then those objections might be unfair.
Benedict Samson, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.